in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys the ultimate best hot chocolate recipe for 2021. My name is Marisha Agrawal and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is Vlogmas Day 2. And as you guys can probably tell by the title of the video and the hot chocolate in my mug, today's video is all about me sharing with you the ultimate, best, cheapest hot chocolate recipe ever. Trust me, I discovered this on accident and this does not taste very sweet, so be aware of that. It's not a very sweet one, it's more dense and chocolatey. And that's because of all the coffee and the vanilla and it's just a lot. But yeah, stay tuned to see exactly how I made this yummy hot chocolate. And if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys try it. So to make the best hot chocolate recipe in the world, you're going to need a few ingredients. So what basically makes this the best is the fact that we're not just using cocoa powder, sugar, and milk, but we're actually going to enhance the chocolate flavor by using cinnamon, some coffee, vanilla extract, and for a little bit of Christmas touch, we're going to add in some nutmeg as well. Before we get started on how to actually make the hot chocolate, we're going to use 1 mug to measure everything out. So basically, this recipe is good for 1 mug, but you can multiply it as much as you want, and you can even make it as a pre-made mix like the way I have done it. And yeah, I definitely recommend having hot chocolate, especially in the Christmas season, in a Christmas mug. I don't know why, but somehow it tastes so much better in a Christmas mug and definitely adds to the Christmas spirit. So I have with me my Santa mug, and yeah, we're gonna make it in this one. So the first thing we're gonna do is basically measure out the milk and put it to a boil. To the milk we add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we let this boil a bit so that the sugar melts. Now that the sugar is melted, we can add in equal parts of cocoa powder, which is also 1 tablespoon. And to enhance the chocolate flavor, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Now you can also brew the coffee and then put in 1 tablespoon of that, but I just prefer to put the powders anyway in because they're going to get mixed up in the milk. To this, we're going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and this basically enhances the coffee powder and the cocoa powder, making it super thick and yummy. And for some extra special Christmas flavor, you're going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. This is already smelling so yummy and my camera is fogging up, but to cut the sweetness, we're going to actually add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is super important, guys, don't miss this step. And now on a low flame, start mixing this up, and you can already see the milk has turned quite chocolatey. And stir well for about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes. So the last step I want to do before actually decorating my hot chocolate is to use a candy cane. Now I'm not going to use it in the traditional sense by just sticking it in there, no. I want my hot chocolate to taste like Christmas. Now, how do we do that? Well, I basically broke apart the candy canes, and I know they look super sad, but trust me, this is like a game changer in all hot chocolates you make. Break these up and put them in, because this way, even when you put your candy cane in, it's gonna melt, right? But instead, you can already pre-melt it, let it mix up with the hot chocolate, so you get a candy cane flavored hot chocolate. And yeah, you don't even really need this because you have the flavor inside it. And honestly, when you put your candy cane on the side, the bottom is going to melt off and going to have a snapped candy cane anyway. And that's going to be really hot and sticky and just not fun. So, candy cane is in. The next step we're going to use is just use some simple whipping cream on top. And then you can go crazy with decorations. So I normally just stick to the pink and the white marshmallows, but you can add shredded chocolate, sprinkles, whatever you want. Mr. Santa is all full and ready to be drunk. That sounds wrong. But basically my hot chocolate is ready, and please give this a try if you guys like it. Give it a big slurp up, thumbs up, and yeah, let me know if you guys have any other recipes you want me to try out, or if you guys want any other baking ideas or recipes. I can definitely do that, because this holidays I'm gonna just relax by my tree, enjoy the holidays, and sip lots of hot cocoa. So yes, cheers to you guys and happy holidays. Perfect. Super chocolatey with the candy cane twist and not too sweet. Perfect hot chocolate according to me. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be posting Vlogmas for the next 5 weeks. Stay tuned for my next Vlogmas video. You have no idea what's coming. But yeah, if you guys like this recipe, please give it a share, and don't forget to tag me in whatever recreations you do. And if you guys just do exactly this, let me know in the comments down below how you guys liked it.